Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is need. Here is a picture of something you need, like water. Here is need in many languages. Find yours and pause the video. Need means something that is necessary. Need. Past progressive was needing, past need. Present progressive needing, present need. Future will need. It's an irregular verb. Let's build a sentence. I need. Here, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. I need. What? What do I need? I need a doctor. Uh-oh. Let's build a sentence. I need a doctor. Why? Why do I need a doctor? I need a doctor because I feel sick. Oh no. Let's build a sentence. I need a doctor because I feel sick. Why? Why do I need a doctor? I need a doctor because I feel sick and my head hurts. Uh-oh, this is really bad. Let's build a sentence. I need a doctor because I feel sick and my head hurts. Why? Why does it hurt? From the roller coaster. Oh, that's weird. From the roller coaster. Let's build a sentence. I need a doctor because I feel sick and my head hurts from the roller coaster. When? When did I ride the roller coaster? From the roller coaster just now. Oh, I must be at an amusement park. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.